Please note this video will not demonstrate a code change. Refer to our video named User Pin Code Change for the DEX for Wireless Keypad. In this example, we will be using the default code on the wireless keypad. If you have changed your code, you must use it in the next step. Press the Remotes button on the circuit board. Third from the left, the STS blue light will appear. Input the default code on the DEX 4 to pair with the Titan 1000 1 1 1 1. The STS light will flash. To test functionality, input the same code entered before 1 1 1 1.